Welcome to all. S Union High School and Junior College. Standard 5th Subject EVS 1. Lesson number 3, The Earth and its Living World. Let us start with the notes of this lesson. First question is, what's the solution? Let us start with the first one. Dark patches appear on the skin after exposure to the sun. So what will be the solution for this? Dark patches due to sun rays are called sunspot, which can be taken care in a natural way by applying slice of fresh lemon on it for 10-15 minutes or by applying aloe vera gel twice a day. Now next one is use your brain power. Let us start with the first brain power. Why are microorganisms important? See the answer over there. Microorganisms live in the soil and do the work of decomposing the dead plants and animals. If there were no microorganism, then the dead plants and animals would not get decomposed. They would have got accumulated and the soil would not become fertile. Next question is, answer the following questions. First question in answer the following is, what are clouds made of? Answer, clouds are made up of very fine droplets of water which are small and light. Second one, what is meant by biosphere? Answer, living things occupy parts of the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Living things and all the parts they occupy are together called the biosphere. Third question is, make a list of the landforms you see in your surrounding and give description of any two of them. In this, you have to make a list of the landform you see in your surrounding. So this will be the personal response, but I will explain you what you are supposed to write. I have given your landform example. That means mountain, hills, hillock, valleys, plain, plateau, rivers, etc. And you have to use your brain for writing this answer. You use your own idea and answer it. Next question is, in the following sentences, underline the words that refer to landforms. See, in this question, you have to underline the landforms. First one is, Annie lives at the foot of a hill. So, which is a landform here? Hill. So, you are going to underline hill. Then, second one is, Ria lives in the plateau region. Now, which is a landform in this sentence? Plateau. So, you are going to underline hill and plateau. Next question is, write a note about the following. Let us start with the first one, that is evaporation. Due to the heat of the sun, the water from the earth's surface goes into vapor state, forming fine droplets of water which are small and light. This process is called evaporation. Now let us start with condensation. Answer, the process when vapor turns into water on cooling to form drops of water, it is called as condensation. Now let us start with the third one, the water cycle. Evaporation of water from the earth due to the heat of the sun forms water vapor. Second point, this vapor is light and moves up in the atmosphere and form clouds. Third one, when these droplets join together and form bigger drops, they become heavy and falls down on the earth in the form of rain. Next question is, give two examples of each. First one is weather related events. What will be the answer for it? You can write your own example, but here I am going to give only two examples related with that. First one is clouds and rain. Second one is sources of water. Now sources of water, many sources of water are there, but here I am giving you only two examples related with sources of water. You can write other source of water also. So answer given here is river, lake. Next question is, draw a label diagram showing water cycle. See children, this is important diagram which you are going to see and draw. It is given in the textbook also on page number 15. The water cycle. What they are telling from this diagram? See, what is water cycle actually? The process of evaporation, condensation and rainfall go on in a continuous cycle. This is known as water cycle in nature. Now actually what is water cycle, that I have told you in the short, but you observe it, I am reading it, you will come to know exactly what is that arrow telling us about. Evaporation of water from the earth due to the heat of the sun form water vapor. Clear? Then this vapor is light and moves up in the atmosphere and forms cloud. They are forming clouds that you can see in the diagram. The arrows are also shown. Then when these droplets join together and form bigger drops, they become heavy and falls down on the earth in the form of rain. So children, we end with our notes of the lesson number 3. You are going to see this and write in your classwork book. The lesson is already explained by Vanita madam, and I am given you the question answers of this lesson. If you have already written, just go through the video. The spellings mistake if you have done, you can easily write down from this video. So write it properly with proper diagram is also shown here. Draw it nicely. Learn the question answers properly, and I end the lesson and the notes with this. Thank you children.